What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the Ridin Dad channel, or welcome if it's your first time. Either way, very glad to have you. Ridin Dad is back.
Ridin Dad YouTube channel, it's the Ridin Dad YouTube channel, it's the Ridin Dad YouTube channel, it's the Ridin Dad.
All right, so back, kinda. For those of you who have no idea what's going on with me and my family and everything, and my mold situation from the last hurricane we had pretty bad in Florida, well, Southwest Florida specifically, go ahead and check out my last video. I can't link it because I still don't have my computer. I physically cannot have my computer with where we're standing right now. But long story short, stuff is going on with that and everything. Unfortunately, we hired a public adjuster, insurance company. Basically, we went back and forth a few times and we came to the standstill point that the insurance company basically 100% said, no, we're not covering it. According to our beliefs, it didn't happen from the storm, which is BS, but whatever, that's a story for another time. Anyway, long story short, again, I'm trying. We signed with a lawyer, so that's gonna take many more months to hopefully have the lawyer get us everything we need. So yeah, that's where we're at. I do have the motorcycle at the place that I'm staying right now, which is my mom's house. Thankfully, the whole family is able to stay there. She had an extra space in her house until our crap is hopefully done at some point with this friggin' mess for our house. I just got back from food shopping real quick, but I wanted to jump on and take a quick video. I have my tools, I have my motorcycle. I haven't been riding a lot. I don't know, just haven't been real motivated to ride at all. It's been hot as hell in Florida. It's summertime. Those of you who know me and how I like to ride and where I've ridden before, you know that I don't like riding in Florida. It sucks and it's boring. It's not fun at all. I like riding in other states, but obviously I can't do that all the time. So kind of what I've started to do to fill the void for that like kind of niche experience kind of thing, I've gotten into bicycling. So I have a mountain bike currently. I have a Cannondale mountain bike. I have a Super 73 RX Mojave, which is a e-bike that I kind of use just for like if I have to go run to the store or something. It's super fun. I mean, it gets up to about 33 miles an hour, which doesn't seem that fast until you're on sidewalks and, you know, streets on a bicycle and stuff. Then it's pretty quick, and it's throttle only, which is super fun. And then I have another e-bike, which is not throttle only. It's a Canyon, but it's gravel. It's basically considered a gravel bike, but it's kind of a hybrid between a road and like an off-road bike. But I use it mostly for riding on the road, and I do kind of longer distance cardio, you know, traveling with that. So yeah, I got all those three bikes, you know, since the last video I posted. Kind of dove head first into the bicycle stuff because it's a way to be a little bit more active, work on my cardio and stuff. The kid my son finally learned how to ride a bike on his own. We go camping with the bikes and stuff. So yeah, trying to fill that niche. But I've been really enjoying the bicycles. So my question to you guys, and part of this kind of update video, is do you guys want to see more bicycle content also? I'm actually going to, and the reason I'm back kind of is because I finally got my GoPro back from the house. So I have to edit with iMovie, which is not going to be great, which means I have to kind of make these one takes and done because I can't really edit that efficiently on there. Hopefully I was able to work my old school intro into this video. I'm not sure if I was able to grab that or not. If I was, then you guys already saw it. If not, then I suck and I can't figure out how to do it efficiently. Hopefully this whole video even got to YouTube. This is the first time I'm trying on the GoPro, so I'm not sure how that's going to interface. I know I can download via the app to the phone for my GoPro videos, but I'm not sure how that's going to interface with the iMovie and then getting all that in a format that YouTube will like and stuff. Unfortunately, I can't do subtitle kind of stuff like that. I can't link videos, you know, in the cards when I used to, like up here or there. I don't remember, you know, with the mirror flip where it actually is on which side. And I can't do my exit kind of thing with the song and all that kind of crap. Unfortunately, that's all sort of proprietary stuff the way I have it set up on the editing program that I have, which is solely, you know, based off of I'm drawing a blank here. Normally I would edit the editing on the computer. Yeah, so my videos will not be as high quality as they used to because I can't do the editing of the small, you know, few seconds where I can't think of a word or I change topics or whatever like that. So that part will kind of suck, but I'm going to try to post more regularly. It won't be every week. It maybe will be like every other, or at least every like kind of 3 weeks. Maybe I'll do every week. Really just depends on what I got going on. yeah, but let me know what you guys think. I don't really have much motorcycle content to do right now. I don't have my lift. I can't do anything like that. I'm not really going anywhere, especially with, you know, work has been really busy lately too. So I don't really have, like, I'm not doing what I used to do, unfortunately, but I have been able to do the bicycle stuff a lot more. It obviously takes much less time to ride a bicycle for a few miles than go somewhere video worthy with a motorcycle where I'm at currently, or really, I guess, in all of Florida. Kinda. So yeah, tomorrow morning I'm waking up early and going to a bike park, so hopefully if it's good I'll get some video coverage of that with the GoPro, and then you guys might see that in the next video or not. But yeah, just wanted to jump on here, let you guys know I'm currently in my truck because it's probably one of the better lighting sources. Hopefully this comes out good. I'll also I have the media mod on the GoPro, so I have the external microphone on it. It's not the stock GoPro microphone, and it's only the front, so audio shouldn't be that bad. This is actually what I first used to do all of my video stuff for the Ridin Dad channel, like about a year ago, before I got the actual dedicated camera and stuff. I just used this, and then at some points I used the microphone that plugged into the GoPro, but this is kind of what I got. We're working with an abbreviated setup. Thank all of you guys for hanging around. I've gotten quite a few new subscribers since I've been at a deficit of videos, which I appreciate all you guys for subscribing and seeing the stuff. I promise there will be stuff. I got some other stuff in the works, but I won't talk about it yet because I haven't really decided it as far as motorcycle stuff goes. But like I said, I appreciate all you guys for either sticking around or being a new subscriber. Either way, let me know what your thoughts are on the bicycle stuff. I mean, I feel like the bicycle and motorcycle overlaps a little bit because of it's two wheels. It's still kind of riding, it's just not a motor. The e-bike stuff is a little bit more closely related to that as well. So I don't know, maybe I'll take a whole video and show you guys my actual bicycles that I have right now, so you guys can actually see which ones, like, you know, what they are and all that kind of stuff. So I don't know, let me know. Again, thank you guys. I hope you guys are all having a good summer, and a lot of you guys don't get to ride in the winter, so hopefully you guys are taking advantage of it in the winter. Until the next time, guys, ride safe, have fun. Dad out.